Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Logitech G733 that I have right here and how we can turn off the lights and how we can turn off the RGB. Now, there is this problem, right? That if you're going to use it on PC, it's pretty simple. You would go into lighting and you could just have the effect off. Right now, they're turned off. But what happens is that this is something that Logitech didn't solve, is that in the moment when you're going to use it outside the PC, let's say on a PS4, PS5, or even, I don't know, whatever device that you would connect it to, automatically it's going to be to the default mode to breathing or like fixed or something. So what you can try to do is this. Maybe it's going to work out for you. So when you're going to have cycle or you would have breathing, decrease the brightness and rate to 1% when you're going to be in the settings of your PC. So this is the desktop default. Therefore, possibly it's not going to be off, but possibly it's going to work out when you're going to be playing on PlayStation or something, and it's going to be on 1%. Therefore, it looks like it's not turned on at all. So you can turn it off. Just try to have it brightness 1%. Or then try to turn it off. So this is the one thing that you can do. And then when you would do, go to top right and you can manage the profiles and you can create a profile. Let's go num to 3. Yes, details and set as persistent. And now what I can do, I can go here. Got it. Okay. And then that's the 1 to 3. Free profile lighting is enabled. Click to make lighting persistent across all profiles. Okay. And then choose the brightness to 1%. So you can even create profile. And then try to also do that. So maybe some of these solutions are going to work for you. I hope so. But I just wanted to make this quick video on how we can turn off the light and how we can turn on turn off the brightness and RGB for the Logitech G733. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day and goodbye.